So in this Coinbase tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Bitcoin, ticker symbol BTC, on Coinbase. So once you have Coinbase open up on your device, next thing you have to do is go to the bottom option right here, so this bottom bar, and press on trade. So right in between my assets and earn percentage, press on trade. Now, if you just want to select Bitcoin, which appears right in front of you under top assets, you can just go ahead and simply just press on Bitcoin. But if it doesn't appear there for you, just go to the top bar where it says search for an asset and search up ticker symbol BTC, which of course is Bitcoin. Once that is done, just simply press on Bitcoin. This is just what Bitcoin's currently trading at this moment in time. Next thing you have to do is press trade at the bottom, and then press buy Bitcoin with cash, so buy BTC with cash. So once that is done, since I am in Canada, I believe I have to have an order of at least $2 if I'm not mistaken. So I'm just going to go ahead and press $2. Once that is done, or you have whatever amount you want to put into Bitcoin, press on review order. It'll take a couple seconds just to identify the transaction that you're about to make. So just bear with it for a few seconds while it takes you to the next screen. Once you're on this screen, finally just go to where it says place order, press on that, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Bitcoin, ticker symbol BTC, on Coinbase. I hope this video helped.